A suspected Russian hacker has been brought to the United States to face charges linked to a major cyber espionage campaign, allegedly targeting American companies and even organizations across multiple sectors. U.S. authorities say that 36-year-old Denis Obresko appeared in a federal court in Boston after being arrested in Thailand last year. Prosecutors accuse him of helping facilitate cyber attacks carried out by a Russia-aligned hacking group called WION. The group has been linked to wide-ranging cyber espionage operation that allegedly targeted operations and organizations in the US, NATO member countries, and even Ukraine for that matter. According to investigators, the campaign focused on stealing large volumes of email data and also gathering sensitive information from victims. Microsoft previously identified WION as threat actor operating in support of Russian government interests, with targets including government agencies, defense organizations, transportation networks, media outlets, and even healthcare institutions. The FBI says at least 11 US companies were compromised, though investigators believe that the actual number of victims could be much higher. Court documents allege that Obresko helped purchase digital infrastructure used in the attacks, including servers and domain names paid for through cyber cryptocurrency transactions. He has been charged with conspiring to gain unauthorized access to protected consumer systems.